Hello, welcome back to the Tableau tutorial series. In this video, we are going to see filters in Tableau. Then we will also see how can we sort the data and combine the data with the help of grouping in Tableau. Also the basic calculation, we are going to create basic calculation field inside the Tableau. Filters. The solo or the narrow solo purpose of the Tableau is to narrow down the data or remove the unwanted data so that we can focus on the data or the value which are important to us and we want to visualize that data. Okay, this is the sole purpose of filter. So we will see how can we create the interactive filters in Tableau. So first you need to drag the cells into the rows shelf, then drag the category into the column shelf, and now I want to filter the data based on the region. So I will drag the region field into the filters. So for now I will select all the fields, then apply and OK. So now filter has been applied, but as I have selected all the fields, so the result will be same. But now I will right click and click on the show filter. So in this way, this new tab will or new field will open, new pane will open. Here the all controls are given to the end user. So depending on her or his needs, he or she can select what, like, from which region they want to see the data and see the visualization. Okay, so now only the central data has been selected. I can I can select many. Okay, I can select south also. I can select all also, or I can remove all, or I can select any field. Okay. Also, we have some features here. Okay. So let's say I want only one region to be selected. So I will click the simple value list. Sorry, single value list. So that only one value will get selected. So now either central or east, either of the one will get selected. In this way, we can make the filter or the chart interactive. So there are basic broadly three types of quick filters in Tableau. There are few many other filters also there in Tableau that we will see in upcoming videos. But here we are going to see the quick filters. So types of quick filters. First we have dimension filters. So dimension filters are the filters that we create from the dimension, that is the categorical column. The one we have created is a this region is nothing but a dimension filter because region is a categorical variable, and here, as we know, this is a part of dimension. Okay, then we have measure filters. Measures are the numerical, like we will filter based on the numerical data range. So we will see one. Now I will create a measure filter based on the profit. So I will drag the profit into the filters and I will select the, let's say, average. Okay, then next, in the range, I will apply. Okay, now click on show filter. Now based on this range, okay, the data will get filtered. So I will move this. Okay, so I have narrowed down the range and you can see only the technology field. with the width. So only the technology field has an average profit in between. Okay, I will see. I can do from. Okay, now it is zero. So from 43.4 to 87.57. This is the range in which the only technology category has a profit, average profit in between these. So in this way, we can use the major filters. Okay. Then we have the date filters. Date filters are very easy. First, I will remove this. I will drag the date into the filters. Now I want to filter based on the year. For now, I will select all, apply, OK. So now I will click on it and will click the show filter. Now from here also same as the categorical filter or the dimension filter, I can filter the data based on the year. Now only 2017 data is visible to us. Okay. If I want from 2016 and 2017, so I can select those. In this way, we can use the filters, quick filters in Tableau to filter the data. Okay. So sorting. The purpose of sorting is to organize chart for easier interpretation and professional presentation or understanding. We can quickly understand the chart if we sort it. Okay. So to sort, so I will click on this button to sort the data. Okay. So you can see the columns has been sorted from in descending order from higher value to lower value. If I want to change the rows to column and columns to rows, or if I want the horizontal bar plot, then I can click on the swap row and column. So here you can see the sorting easily, right? So higher value is at the top and lower value at the bottom. I can change it to ascending order, and you can see now it is arranged in ascending order. So that I can from here I can easily understand that technology sales of technology is more in 2016 and 17. So from the graph itself, we can do some analysis. Then we will see grouping. Okay. So let's say I will create different chart. Okay. So I want I want to create a group of categories. So we have three categories, that is furniture, one is office supplies and technology. But now I want to compare, okay, the or I want to analyze these two together with the technology. Okay, apply and create. So now I will drag this here and I will drag these cells. So you can see this column is combined result or combined sales of furniture and office supply that I am comparing directly with technology, that is in our other category. We named it other, but includes the technology. This type of grouping helps us when we have already have old products and suddenly we got a new product or new category. So when we want to compare the performance of old with new product or new category, we can do this. Okay, in this way we can do. We can change from sum to average also, and you can see when it comes to average, technology beats them because they they are combined. So their average is less. But when it comes to technology, technology's average is more. In this way, we can analyze the data. Now we will see basic calculations. Okay. Why do we need calculations in Tableau? Means when we have a column, but we want, let's say we have weight and height of a person, both columns that we have, but we want to create the BMI. Okay, out of these two weight and height columns. So in that case, we can create that with the help of calculated fields present inside the Tableau. So to get the insight or the pattern based on the domain knowledge, we can create the calculated fields. So we will create one calculated field, that is profit ratio, in which we will divide the profit by sale. Okay. So right click on either field, either like categorical variable or the numerical. So right click, then create calculated field. Here I will name it as profit ratio, and then I will divide the profit by sales. Apply and OK. Now let's say I drag a category and profit ratio. Okay, and in this way we can visualize. So when it comes to profit ratio, sum of profit ratio, okay, I will change it to average. So then also category technology column has more average ratio of average profit ratio, in which we have divided profit by sales. So in this way we can create any calculation field inside the Tableau. So to create a calculation field, first what you need to do is right click on either dimensional or measure and then create and then calculated fields. In this way we can create the calculated field. So there are different uh, uh, options in calculated field, such as we have if. So I will show you conditional statement. Also we have conditional statement. So if is there, right? If else, okay, then case is also there. In this way we have conditional, we can create the conditional field, conditional calculated field, etc, depending on our needs. So in this video we have seen filters, that is mostly the only the quick filters. Okay, we will see other filters in upcoming videos. Then how can we sort the data, group the data, and create a simple calculation or calculated field inside the Tableau. And we made the filtering interactive with the help of show filter and giving all the uh, controls to the end user, so he can or she can filter the data based on their needs. Okay. In next video, we will see visual formatting in Tableau. Okay. So hope you like this video. Do like, share, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for new videos. If you have any question, please comment below. If you want the PPT or the resources used in this video, you can visit our Telegram channel. You can see the link on the screen. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.